the spice of memory. In the quaint village of Eldermere, nestled between rolling hills and vibrant fields, lived an elderly woman named Agatha. Her tiny cottage, adorned with creeping vines and colourful flowers, was renowned for its aromatic garden, where spices flourished. The villagers often gathered around her, eager to learn the secrets of her culinary artistry. One crisp autumn afternoon, a young traveller named Elias stumbled upon Agatha's cottage. Intrigued by the enticing fragrances wafting through the air, he knocked on her door. Agatha welcomed him with a warm smile, inviting him into her haven of flavour. Inside, jars filled with exotic spices lined the shelves: cinnamon, saffron, and cardamom, each telling a story of distant lands and forgotten times. As they shared tea infused with fragrant herbs, Agatha recounted tales of her youth, adventures in bustling markets, where she first tasted the fiery heat of chili peppers and the sweet zest of vanilla. Elias listened, captivated by her vivid recollections. He realized that each spice held a memory, a connection to places and people long past. Inspired, Elias proposed a project: to create a cookbook that not only celebrated the spices, but also the stories behind them. Agatha's eyes sparkled with delight. Together, they ventured into her garden, harvesting fresh herbs and spices, each one accompanied by a tale of its own. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over Eldermere, Elias discovered that spices were not merely ingredients. They were vessels of memory, bridging the past and present. In that small cottage, amidst laughter and shared stories, the essence of life itself was distilled, a reminder that every meal shared carries the flavour of connection.